Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, on the Polkadot chart, we are dealing still probably with this ongoing wave 2 correction. You see it on the screen. We have 5 waves up into the November highs. So the price peaked here in this wave 1 at around $5.90. And since then, a very corrective looking decline has started. So we have a lot of overlapping price action. I would call that a WXY correction. Other interpretations are possible, like for example an ABC in which the C wave is an ending diagonal. That could send it down quite a bit lower. I would have to go with that if we go a little lower. But yeah, it's currently just a corrective looking decline, and we have had a first reaction to our support area, to the trend reversal area at $4.87, which is a 38.2 retracement. However, we haven't really had a sustained low or sustainable low. The price would need to break above the descending price line or trend line next. And also take out this B wave high that we see at $5.60 basically. This level needs to break next for the price to really start rising in a third wave to $8 plus. We haven't started that yet, possibly. I currently still assume that we go a little lower into the support area. Next support levels or Fibonacci support would be around $4.58. That is very close, or pretty much where we had the previous wave 4 low as well. So around 450, 458 roughly. 440, by the way, is also the 1.618 extension level, another level to watch. So there is a bit of confluence there. So I'm watching for at least another, let's say, another attempt to re-enter the yellow support box. I think it would give us a more healthy wave 2, where we then also can say with more confidence when the price starts to rise that it indeed is turning around. But it needs to give us some signals. So first early indication that a low is made would be a break above this descending trend line, then followed by a break above that B wave high that you can see on the chart, which is around $5.60, yeah. And then a break above the X wave high would be even more confirmation. That would be above $5.80. Important is that the DOT price does not break below $3.96, or I would lose confidence into this bullish wave structure. Ideally, I don't even want to get it below $4.30, because this is, so $3.96 is the crucial support. It's a 78.6 retracement level, generally with 1-2 setups in general. When that level breaks, we typically say, okay, it's not going to hold. It's just a matter of probabilities and what they typically do. Yes, technically, as per Elliott Wave, a 1-2 setup is valid until we retrace over 100% of wave 1. But that's just not, we always want to, we don't want to deal with what's possible. We want to deal with what's probable. And our work with Fibonacci levels makes sure that we can reduce probabilities as much as possible. Or not reduce, but narrow down is probably the better term. We want to narrow down the probable scenarios as much as possible. We can do that by adhering to guidelines and certain rules. But yeah, ideally, I don't even want it to get below $4.30, because this is the line of this descending trend channel that the price was moving in throughout 2023. And also, it is where we have the 61.8 retracement level, and where we have this red potential breakout point, breakout line that the price crossed here in October. So I think a break below that would show some weakness. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.